Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video builds upon lessons learned from the previous video, which was the Henry Matisse style still life of the vase of flowers. I decided that I really liked the abstract on abstract with still life. I did want to experiment with it a little bit more. I have changed the colors in this one. I made them brighter, more vibrant, more cheery. And then I also tried to make an attempt to do the leaves as well instead of focusing on just the flowers. So I did this chain pull technique, which I did for the first time, and it came out really nice. I can't wait for you all to see it. So this looks like a much more pulled together, comprehensive. Every piece has been thought out and then abstracted. So I'm very happy with this. It is definitely something that I'm going to hang on a wall and enjoy it. So hopefully you guys do too. So happy watching. All right, so here I'm going to do that Impressionist painting again. The background, I want to keep it light. The last time I think I went too dark. So I'm going to do white. I'm going to stack this with white, a pale yellow, and hints of the blue, because I know the blue is going to be, it's a very desaturated blue. It's going to be part of my vase. So these three colors, predominantly white, I'm going to stack. And I'm just going to do a puddle pour here. So on this plate, I'm going to make stripes. Okay.